Hey, this is Mark. On this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, to optimize it, the best way is that you go to the top right on this pen icon and you actually put the effort in to create the categories that you need, will use, and etc. Because if your categories are good, everything you see on the main screen will be optimized and optimized to your needs. That's just the best way to optimize it. I don't have to make this video any longer. You just have to spend time creating categories, and then once you created them, that's it. You can go to accounts, then optimize all of your bank accounts, credit cards, whatever, and then that's it. That's basically in short how you optimize it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.